gang, we're on chapter 1, lesson 3. We are on page 22 and 23. That's going to be what we're working on today. So lesson 3 is regions and resources. The big question for this lesson is, I will know that each region has natural resources that are used to make products. Now, keep in mind that to make anything, you need natural resources. So these natural resources can sometimes be found everywhere and sometimes in specific spots. So yesterday you guys went through the Quizlet. You looked at the vocabulary words saying natural resources, economy, product, capital resources, human resources, non-renewable, conserve, renewable, and some other vocabulary words were produce and process. So let's take a look. Try to think of some natural resources that you're familiar with. Natural resources, just based on that definition of natural resources. And think about what they are. Let's start reading. The United States is a nation that is rich in natural resources. A natural resource is something that in the environment that people can use. Soil, water, and trees are all examples of natural resources. Here you see a picture of fish and shellfish that are brought into the shore in the Northeast. So fish and shellfish are also a natural resource. Natural resources in the United States. Each region of the country has many different natural resources. The Northeast has forests and fertile soil. It also has rivers and a long coast that make fishing possible. Coal, found in Pennsylvania, is another natural resource in the Northeast. In the Southeast, fertile soil is an important resource. The soil and the warm climate make farming a leading activity, which means that farming is their main resource. Farmers grow cotton, rice, citrus fruits, peanuts, and other crops. The Southeast also produces oil, coal, and lumber. Farming is a large part of the economy in the Midwest. An economy is the use of the wealth and resources in a place. The region's fertile soil is ideal for growing soybeans and corn. Farmers also raise hogs and cows. Cow's milk is used to make dairy products such as butter and cheese. Products are items people make, grow, or sell. Coal, oil, and iron are also natural resources in the region. Iron ore is used to make iron and steel. The plains of the Southwest are major centers for raising cattle and sheep. Cotton is the region's leading crop. Oil is a valuable resource found in Oklahoma and Texas. Copper is mined in Arizona and New Mexico. The West is known for cattle ranching and copper, silver, and gold mining. In the warm valleys near the Pacific Ocean, farmers raise fruits, nuts, and vegetables. Oil, lumber, and fish are also found in the West. What natural resource do you think is right here in this picture? Now go onto your notes page and finish up those notes.